Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice, and today I'm getting ready to do Madison's 2-month update. She is 2 months. She's a little bit over 2 months, but as I said before, I was kind of like busy trying to get her on a schedule. Hold on. I was busy trying to get her on a schedule and making sure that, you know, she was okay and all that. So I had to take time away from the camera to ensure that she was adjusting well. So she is not as fussy as she used to be. Ooh, she's not as fussy as she used to be. I can put her down. I can get stuff done. I can do chores around the house, and you know, I can not. It's not like I can give her off to anyone and no, I can put her down. No one can't touch her. If no one can touch her, but she will sit. If anyone else touch her apart from me, then she gets upset. Anyways, on to the update. So Madison is 2 months and let's say 2 weeks, 3 weeks. And she is a whopping 10 pounds, 2 ounces at her 2-month appointment, which was a week ago. And she got 4 shots. We actually went back today for her 4th shot, because when we went, they only had 3 shots available. So we had to go back. So we went back today for the tetanus shot. And she was weighing 10 pounds, 2 ounces, and 23 inches long. In terms of feed, she is exclusively breastfed. She does not take the bottle. She don't want the bottle. Even if I pump my own milk and put it in the bottle, she don't want anything to do with a bottle. Yes, mama. She wants nothing to do with the bottle. So she's exclusively breastfed. Even when at church now, when we go to church, I have to feed her from the boob. So yeah, it's an inconvenient, but whatever makes her happy, I will gladly do. In terms of development, she's kicking a lot. Her feet and her hands and everything is in coordination, and she's just like flopping around the place, and she identifies your face. She smiles. She genuinely smiles now. Like, she will look at you and smile in your face, and you can play with her and she will smile and she will giggle. She will interact with you. She recognizes every one of our faces in this house, and even some people at church, she recognized their faces. A new face, she'll stare at you for a while. She probably won't even interact with you or give you a smile, but if she knows you, she will interact with you and give you a smile. And that's about it. I don't know how many ounces she's taken now, but I know that she feeds every 2 hours, and she spends probably anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes on the breast. Sometimes less, sometimes more. It all depends. So that's about it for baby Mad. In terms of clothes size, she's still in some newborns. Some pieces of newborns fit her, some pieces don't. She just kind of like hit the 3-month clothing mark, but not yet. They're still kind of big on her. Even this outfit is 0 to 3 months. So 0 to 3 months is different from the actual 3 months. So yeah, she's just hitting the 3 months. The 3-month pants though on her is a bit small. It's a bit small because like right now this is the 3 months, and it's just like hitting her above the ankle, because you know how you hold the baby and their pants rise up. So but if I put her in a 6-month or a 9-month pants, it stays exactly at her ankle and it doesn't ride up. So that's it in terms of what she's wearing. Toys, she doesn't really play with toys. She likes the sound of certain musical instrument. You can play that for her and stuff. When she's tired, she will cry and fuss. Like right now, she's fussing, and I know that it's time for her to feed and for her to take a nap. That's the only time she fusses these days. So I'm happy for that. I'm grateful for that, because now I can get back to actual making videos and could sit down and edit a video without her fussing as much. So I am thankful for that. So let me show you guys what she's looking like. So this is Madison. Let me zoom out. No, this is Madison at 2 months. She's a decent size. So that's baby Madison at 2 months. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and of course, as always, if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our future this is always so draining. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can become a sunshine, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.